Hey guys, today we have a great video. It is FabFitFun, and just a little information on FabFitFun. If you're not known to FabFitFun, you never heard of it, it is $49.99 every 3 months, so it's seasonal. Spring, summer, winter, fall, etc. So this is the spring box, and I'm excited to open it. I can't remember my customizations, but if this is something you're interested in and you want to join FabFitFun or you want to learn some stuff about it, keep watching, guys. So let's get into this box. I always have a hard time opening the box. It's like trusty scissors magically appear. Boop. And there we go. So I know there were some variations on the box. A lot of people were getting yellow, and that was a pretty box. A lot of people were getting purple. That's also a pretty box. So this is green, clearly. And just to let you know, each box is always in honor, in support of a cause. And for this box, it is for Dress for Success, which is awesome. So the weight. Some people like to know what the weight is. Usually it's on the sticker. Weight! So we'll skip that. I know it's a heavy box. So let's get into it. Alright, look at that. It's still very pretty. Still very pretty with the FabFitFun and the butterflies. And of course on the inside, as usual, you get the FabFitFun magazine, and Gina Rodriguez is on it, and she looks amazing with her pink eyeshadow, which is so pretty. And then you get a bunch of coupons, and I like to check those out. But in the magazine for FabFitFun, you get all the different types of customizations. So we will be checking which ones I got and how much everything totals up to. So I need to get a pen. We'll get a pen. So in the box, there's a cute little closure sticker here. Share to win, FabFitFun, handy pen. And I kind of remember now, but let's get into the box first. Tally everything up. All right, so opening. Oh, look at this. Yes. I see so many things. Like, I'm so excited and remembering all my customizations. So if you are a seasonal member, you can customize 3 items. If you pay annually, you can customize 5, which is really cool. And I think 3 is plenty for me. And the rest I just let be a surprise. I like to recycle my fluffy stuff because I don't want it all over the place. So let's jump in and grab the first thing I see here, which stands out in this awesome packaging. This looks like whey. We're gonna have to jump around. Oh, I found it already. So this was customization number 3, which is the Whey 2-in-1 Purify and Glow Mask Collection. It uses brown sugar mask for a radiant complexion, or the gold root mask to deeply cleanse the skin. $45. That is nice. I like masks. I like to, treat my skin. It's the year of the skin for me. Once again with the packaging. But so I thought when I chose this there weren't too many selections when I was doing my customization. So I opted for the mask because it's always nice to do like a Sunday mask. So here we are. You got the 2 different types, the brown sugar and what was the other one they said? Ooh, golden root mask. Oh, and you get a nice little paddle type brush to apply. This is nice. So these are like ready to go little pods. So you get one. Great for traveling. I'm a traveler, so this is awesome for traveling. So let's put that to the side. Next thing I see out of the corner of my eye is the umbrella. I think I've gotten another umbrella from FabFitFun, but why wouldn't I want an umbrella? So this was customization number 2, and it's the Shoshana umbrella for $40. I probably wouldn't spend $40 on an umbrella, but if you're going to put it in my box, okay. So the masks were $45 and this was $40, so we're already over, and I'm happy. Nice sunshine, floral, looks like sunflowers. Okay, and the other customization that I can already see is the Donnie. The Donnie ribbed sweater coat. And this one retails for $99. So clearly, I got my money's worth. So let's dive into this. And I thought this was like a light beige, to be honest. And it's looking more gray or grayish. So I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see the ribbed texture is definitely in there. And I know there was no closures, but I like a sweater. So let's try it on. And it's kind of like, it's nice, it's comfy. Definitely. I always bring a sweater with me, especially in the summer. So it looks like it's not full length, but that's fine with me too. But like when you go to the restaurant and it's blasting AC in there and you really don't have anything, this is nice and cool leaving the car. Even just to lounge around the house, go out. This is always nice to have. Let's see. So it's, you know, full length cover. Okay. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So those are my 3 customizations. Everything else after that is a surprise. I see something else here, and we have silicone straws. Now, I know I've seen from some other people's boxes that they got that. It looks like everybody probably got the straws, which is cool because now with the whole, you know, plastic straws getting thrown out and creating a disaster, why not? I already have straws in the house that we use that are reusable, washable. So this was number 7, so I'm so out of order. $15. $15 isn't bad for chic and tonic silicone straws. This set includes 4 silicone straws, a brush cleaner, and a carrying case, which is awesome for traveling people like me. So these will get used. Oh, these are bright, really nice, fun colors. And they are very flexible. I just want to test it out because I seen that there was a cute little carrying case. And I like that idea. I think it's perfect for moms on the go or anybody who, you know, when you're out at work, you could just bring one of these, 2 of these. When the kids need something, you just pop it in your diaper bag like I throw everything in there. And you don't have to worry about it. Reusable, which is earth friendly. And you could just bring, I have a small little metal straw that is tied to my diaper bag. And there it is in a little case, and there is a pipe cleaner that comes with that one as well. So we're into it. We are changing with the times. So the straws were 15. Next up we have Jaboneria or Marianella. Rosewood and Litsi Cubea body oil. Okay. this must be a different variation. Let's check. Oh, I see it right there. So number 4 variation, and this is $68. Moisturize and replenish the skin with 100% pure oils and vitamins. I'm not really even going to open it because the packaging is super awesome and containing everything so it doesn't spill out everywhere. We'll just move right along to the next guy, which is This Works 24-hour skin solution. Where was that one? Must be on the next page. This Works is number 6 for customizations or options. This is deep sleep body cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep saver for better nights and brighter mornings. $40. Use this cream to bring calm and relaxation while nourishing your skin. That sounds lovely. I love lotions, so I will use. Oh, that just smells like lavender, and I love lavender. I have lavender everywhere. It is very relaxing. Oh yes, this is like aromatherapy in a bottle. Awesome. Okay, there's a little canister in here. What is this? Eau thermal avene. Eau thermal spring water. That's interesting. This is number 8. I didn't think they would have spring water. Okay, so this is $14. Avene thermal spring water. Spritz your face. Oh, okay. I thought it was drinking. Spritz your face with hydrating spring water to calm, soothe, and soften. Interesting, but great. And last, I think, right? Yep. Just got a piece of cardboard in there. So, last is AG Hair Care Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner. And this must be number 5. Yep, I found it. Number 5 is $24. So, where was I? AG leave-in conditioner or leave-on conditioner, which is different. Dealing with frizzy or dry hair, use the leave-on conditioner to moisturize and help smooth split ends. Who doesn't want that? The only problem is, let me just check the ingredients because I don't use parabens or sulfates because it doesn't work with my hair. So I'll have to check this out before I actually use it. But that was it for my box. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't count. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items for $49.99. And we're going to tally everything up. They even write that the box can vary between $234 to $503. So let me get a calculator, and start adding things up.
Okay, so 99 for that, 40.
Okay, so my box came to $331. I would say well worth my money, and I get to try new products. Some things that I was looking forward to getting was this Revive Light Therapy Glow Wrinkle device. I've seen a lot of people getting that. I know the Tarte drink of water was already sold out because I was going to pick that. The paddle brush would have been cool. I didn't do any add-ons, and reason being, I kind of look forward to the surprises in FabFitFun because I don't know what the other 4 things are. So I got a great box. I'm curious as to why there's different variations in colors. Maybe it's because of certain things that are coming in the box. If you know, comment down below if you got the same box. I want to know if we're twins. And what products were you looking forward to that you did get, that you added on, that you customized, or that you got in your box for a surprise? Thanks for watching, guys.